Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be talking about how you can create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. I'll be going through the various methods that I use. Right now, I have about 5 methods. In this video, I'll talk about the first 4 methods. Then in another video, I would talk about the number 5, which is training your own custom model. So in this video, we'll talk about using the name method. That's number 1. Number 2, using the name, ethnicity, and gender method. Then number 3, using popular references. Then number 4 is combining number 1 and number 3, and combining number 2 with number 3. So these are the various methods I usually use in generating consistent characters. So let's start with number 1, which is the name method. So I'll head over to Leonardo AI. This is our prompt here. I will delete most of them. We don't need, I'll just leave the highly detailed and hyper realistic 8K here. We can add negative, since we're generating portraits, of humans. Let's add some negative prompts such as deformed facial features. So we don't want to see that in our model. Then unsymmetrical eyes. So we don't want to see that in our model. Yeah. I think that's okay. So we're using alchemy here. We're going to be generating 4 images per generation. Photoreal is off. We're using Leonardo diffusion for the model. We're doing photography. Then this is the setting. So let's put something. Now we're using the name method. Now I want to create consistent characters using name. So let's say a photo of Jason. Now Jason is the name. Walking through the woods. So let's generate that. Oh, so this is what it came out with, and I am not surprised because of the prompts that we used. So in my mind, I'm thinking, oh, Jason, it'll probably give me like an European character. But if you think about it, AI was trained with a lot of data that was created by human beings, and the name Jason, because of this particular character. This particular character is from a movie, a popular movie, and the character's name is Jason. So AI would think that that's the character you intend to create. But think about it. Look at the 4 images here. You can see how consistent they are. So that's one thing about using a name. So you need to be careful about the kind of name that you use. So let me say a photo of a young boy named Jason walking through the woods. So let's try that. Okay, so see what it came out with. You can see the consistency in just using the name. So this is a young boy named Jason walking through the woods. So see this, and see this with this. See, it's consistent. It's consistent with the character name. So if we were able to change the location of where Jason is, so let's say a photo of a young boy named Jason in his school hallway. Let's see that, and let's compare that. Remember, the instance prompt here is the name Jason. Okay, so this is what it came up with. So you can see the consistency just by using the name Jason. This is Jason walking Jason in his school hallway. You can see this. Compare it with this. Look at these 2 images and compare with this 2 images right here. You can see there's this form of consistency with the hairstyle, the blonde hairstyle, the facial features, the eyebrows. Even look at the back view. The back view of this really complements this particular person. So there's a consistency when you use a name in your prompt. So that's the first method. The second method is name, ethnicity, and gender. So in this prompt, let's change this. Let's change this to a photo of a young girl of a young girl. So we've done gender, named Isabella. Isabella in her school hallway. Oh, okay. So we've not put ethnicity. Let's put a photo of a young African. Let's use African. So a photo of a young African girl named Isabella in her school hallway. So now we've done African is the ethnicity, girl, gender, name, Isabella. So let's see what that comes. Okay, so this is what we have here. You can see the consistency in her facial features, in her even in her hairstyle. I like the hairstyle. I like even the eyebrows. See this? See this? See this? Yeah. See how even all these four images really look very similar. So we've used ethnicity, we've used name, and we've used gender in order to push it towards creating something. We can change it. We can say in Isabella in her bedroom at home, and let's see if it will be the same. If we still have that same consistency. Okay, so this is what we have here. You can see it maintains her hairstyle in terms of the hairstyle she has in the previous images when she was in school. Now that she's at home, it maintained the hairstyle. Also, yes, her dress has changed, but you still see this same consistency in her facial features, especially with her eyebrows. It's not perfect, honestly, I must say it's not perfect, but we are still able to um, push it towards giving us something that's close and that we can work with. So that's how you use number two. That's name, ethnicity, and gender. So we'll talk about the third option now. That's use popular references. So popular references are like popular people, maybe celebrities, actors, artists who you know that AI has trained on their images in terms of the kind of data it was that was used to train the AI. So if you use a popular celebrity like let's use this prompt. A photo of a young African boy that looks like Will Smith walking down the street. So now we've used Will Smith as the reference here. So let's see how the images come out to look like. Okay, so this is what we have here. You can see how consistent the character is. It looks like it's the same person with a slightly different hairstyle, differently. Um, yes, if you look at these images carefully, you can see that yes, it has a very good striking resemblance to Will Smith. But some people might not really be able to pick that. But that's a way to make your characters consistent. You use references to popular um, characters that you know that your AI would have been trained on that particular data set. So we can maybe change it to a let's say Barack Obama. Yeah, yeah. So let's say Barack Obama. Let's see how it's. Okay, so this is what we have here when we say a photo of a young African boy that looks like Barack Obama walking down the street. This is what we have here. You can see this young boy. Look at the consistency in his facial features. Look at his consistent facial features. Okay, this doesn't work clearly. Yeah, but you can see how to create consistent characters. So let's talk about the next step. That's the fourth step. So that's combining 1 with 3. So combining a name with number 3. So now let's use a female character. So let's change the prompt now. And now we're going to blend option 1 with option 3. So let's say a photo of a young girl named, let's use the previous name that we used. Okay, can you come here? What should I do? Okay, of a young European girl. My daughter said I should use a young European girl. What's her name? Isabella. That looks like this is Jessica Alba. Okay, so this is our prompt. A photo of a young European girl named Isabella that looks like Jessica Alba walking down the street. So we're trying to use Jessica Alba as the reference point to get consistent character images. So let's see what this gives us. Okay, so this is what we have here. You can see this character is pretty consistent. And in this prompt, we used a young European girl named Isabella that looks like Jessica Alba walking down the street. So if we change the location or the action in what she's doing, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a very good, consistent character in all the images. So what I'll do is dancing. Let's dance. Let's put that looks like Jessica Alba dancing will generate. Let's say cooking. Cooking will generate. And let's do one more. Let's say running. So we'll generate those three different. Okay, so this is the first image. This is what we have when we say dancing. This is the same character dancing. Then this is the same character cooking. You can see the hairstyle, see the facial features, the skin tone, even her the way she dresses. Yeah. Then this is her running. So you can see also the hairstyle, the skin tone, and the her dress style. So you can. This is a way to maintain consistent characters using popular references. So we've done the 4 methods, and if you want to, if you're a storyteller, you're an artist, and you have projects where you need consistent characters, you should consider these various 4 methods in creating your own characters. Then I would just say the 5th method I would do in a separate video. That's training your own custom models. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.